Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So, today's video entails extreme cleaning. I'm cleaning these things around my house that I don't normally clean. I usually clean most of these things that you see in the video every 6 months. So I decided to do some deep cleaning. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom who enjoys creating content that adds to your life. On my channel, I create DIYs and hauls, and I do cleaning videos. If that's something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So it's the first day of spring and a time for new beginnings. In the wake of the coronavirus, we know we could all use some encouraging news. So, be encouraged, friends, and know that this shall pass. As a Christian, I know that God is our refuge and strength, and a very present help in the times of trouble. Psalms 46:1. So I began using my eCloth to clean most of the surfaces. This is a product that cleans just by adding water. No chemicals. The power is in the fibers. And this mop is another one of my favorite products. I don't even have to touch the water. I just have filled it up and I just take the pad off when I am not using it and put it in the wash machine. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And now it's time to clean my light fixture. This is again something that I don't typically clean, but we know it needs to be cleaned. It gets dust and grime and dirt all over it just as much as anything else in the kitchen with us cooking and doing all sorts of things. So it was time to take it down and clean it out. You know, it's funny, while I was cleaning off the top of the refrigerator here, I'm looking at why is there money up here? We do not need to have money on top of the refrigerator. I don't understand, people. Can somebody tell me that? Okay, so it amazes me how much stuff gets behind this refrigerator. Now, granted, this refrigerator was moved at least a couple of months ago, because this refrigerator that you see here is not the one that we had when we first moved into this house. Our landlord ended up replacing the refrigerator because the other one was leaking. And look at all this stuff. I'm just amazed at what was behind this refrigerator, and we had just moved it not too long ago. It's still dusty and it's just something else. You see, I am trying to be Wonder Woman here and move this refrigerator. I couldn't exactly get it in place, so I had to get some help from my husband. You see, he's helping me here. Okay, now this footage, I don't know what I was thinking of when I was trying to record me cleaning the ceiling fan, but I am sorry you guys that the footage is not like this, but I didn't want to not use this footage because I did. It took me some time to clean off this ceiling fan. So, hey, this is what I got. This is what you got. And so now it was time for me to clean behind this bench. I hadn't cleaned behind the bench since we had gotten it in September and we had the winter season, and so there was dust and salt all over the place. Even though I tried to prevent that from happening, it just did not happen. So it was time to clean it. You see all the stuff right there. I'm just saying, people, I'm just saying. And look at this. This is a Christmas item that was behind the bench. You'd be amazed at all the things that you can find if we just move things, you know? We probably could find everything. Okay, people, what in the world? I was not expecting to find that there at all. But I had to clean the windows, so I guess it's a good thing that I found it. Better late than never. Now I'm replacing the rug here and the chairs in the kitchen. And then I needed to wash the curtains that are in our kitchen here, and also clean off this mat here that was underneath the bench. And now here, for the most part, I have finished cleaning most of the areas that we don't typically clean. Like I said, it usually takes me 3 to 6 months to do this type of deep cleaning because this was an all-day process pretty much, you guys. And by the time I got finished cleaning this, I was tired. My knees was hurting. I'm getting old, people. I just can't do this stuff all the time. That's why it takes me 3 to 6 months before I am doing this type of deep cleaning. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to let me know if you are doing any spring cleaning yourself. And thank you so much for watching and being here today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.